This tutorial will guide you how to pay for Watu credit phones. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now this is the website for Watu.com, which provides instructions on how to make your weekly payments. But before paying, it's very important to contact their support team. You can either contact them through WhatsApp. Now this is for Kenya. I'll show you for other countries on what to do. Now if you're from Kenya, you can use these details to contact Watu credit support team either through WhatsApp or using the general support phone numbers which have been provided here. If you want to make payments, it's very easy. They say here, what is Watu Simu pay bill number? The information has been provided here, as they say. To make your weekly payment on your newly acquired device, here is the pay bill number, account number, borrower's national ID number. So pay bill number, this one, and account number is borrower's national ID number. If you're from different country, let's say you're from Tanzania, you can just use this link from the description of this video, and you're in the comment section, just replace with your country. So you can just type here Tanzania, and then you visit this link, and then you can just click here, and then they provide instructions here. You can always contact their support team using the phone number which have been provided here, or you can scroll down to see on how to make your weekly payments. As they say here, you can make these payments via M-Pesa, Tigo Pesa, and Airtel Money to the pay bill number, this one, provided no cash payments are accepted. So it's very easy. All the informations are available through their website. If you face any difficulties, you can always contact their support team.